Okay, so we're going to be installing a leaf catcher today on a 2x3 downpipe. We're removing the lower strap. Pulling the downpipe apart. Getting a nice spot where the leaf catcher will sit on the outside of the siding to allow the downpipe to sit flat. Maybe making sure there's enough room for the debris to come out. Two 1/2-inch stainless steel screws to fasten the leaf catcher to the wall. Should have done that the opposite way. Now we size this up. Another 1/2-inch screw to install the pipe to the leaf catcher. Two more 1/2-inch stainless steel screws to the side of the leaf catcher. One to each side. Two 1.5-inch screws to put the strap back in. And there it is, leaf catcher installed. It reduces the maintenance by about 50% and stopping a lot of debris from going down into your internal drains, which internal drains can cost you a lot of money to have them cleaned.
Joe, what would you say is the big advantage of having a leaf catcher down at the bottom here versus up at the top in the
Well,
gutters?
it's going to reduce the amount of times you have to go up into your gutter. And putting the ladders up can cause damage to the gutter and can also cause damage to yourself. So it just reduces the time that you're going to spend on a ladder.